Go.
Cool. How are you guys? This is how you install the roof racks to any vehicle, really. They're pretty simple. They come with the locking mechanism. You just take that off. They have a lever on the bottom that you just remove and put it back on as you like, and just adjust. So once you got it on the right position, you just pin that down, lock it down, find your piece that's gonna go mounted to your door, and all we need is just a screw to lock it in place. So just get so that goes in there, locks in like so.
There it is.
And all you do is just put that through the opening there. Just that little cam lock right there. All it is, just line it up, put your bracket, put it right through. Make sure you got the washer right through. You start it up. It's quite tricky when you got big fingers like myself. But,
I'll edit all of this, so don't worry.
okay.
Yeah.
Cool. All it is, you push that through, start it. It's pretty simple. Once it's all the way through, all it is, this point from that point, they're gonna interlock to each other, and that will keep it firm on the vehicle. So all you need to make sure that point right there is down when you tighten it up. And all it is, you can feel it when it's tying it up because it's pulling the other side back this way. So slowly tie one side, and then we go quickly to the other side. We quickly tie this side up, and what they do, they go against each other, so it just locks in the vehicle. You can feel it a lot tighter already. So that's one side done. Quickly go back to the other side. You can feel straight away that is tight. Now that, it's not gonna go anywhere. It's pretty solid. And all you do after that, you grab iron cups. Make sure you unlock them. Yeah. And make sure you tie the key so the lock is not on the way. Put it on, lock it in, go to the other side. Put that through, make sure the cam is out of the way. That is all done, mate. It's another great product from OCAM.